RatePunk review. Does it really work? Today I tested it out and here's what happened and whether this tool can actually help you find cheaper hotel prices without wasting time. RatePunk is a browser extension that works while you search for hotels online. Instead of manually comparing prices across different websites, it automatically checks other platforms in the background and shows if the same room is available for less somewhere else. This makes it useful if you want to save money without opening multiple tabs. Getting started is simple. You install the extension, and once it's added to your browser, it runs on its own. When you visit a hotel listing, it scans for price differences and displays them directly on the page. You don't have to switch websites or do anything extra, which keeps the process quick and easy. As it works, it compares rates from different booking sites and highlights better deals when they're available. Sometimes the savings are small, but in other cases, the difference can be noticeable depending on the hotel. It can also give you an idea of whether the current price is high or reasonable, which helps you decide if it's the right time to book. One of the biggest advantages is how easy it is to use. Everything happens automatically, so even if you've never used a tool like this before, you can still benefit from it right away. There's no setup beyond the installation and no complicated features to manage. That said, it's important to keep expectations realistic. It won't always find a cheaper price, especially if the listing you're viewing is already the best available. The amount you save can also vary, so it's not guaranteed every time you search. Overall, it focuses on convenience and speed. It doesn't replace booking websites, but it helps you double-check prices without extra effort. If you want a simple way to avoid overpaying when booking hotels, this kind of tool can be a useful addition to your routine.